Hello stars, this is your Star. Welcome back to my happy YouTube channel, and we have 8 toys to collect. We have this collaboration of Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles and Hello Kitty and Friends. How cute! There are 8 toys. Here, hello, Mark, focus. We got 8 toys. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have another one right here. So there's a total of 8 toys. So ang cute nito. We have here Hello Kitty and Raphael. Then we have here Cinnamoroll and Donatella. We have here Kuromi and Michelangelo. Then this one is My Melody X Leonardo. This one is Kuromi X Raphael. And My Melody X Donatello. Is it the same? No. Ay, the same. Ay, iba pala. Then we have Hello Kitty and Leonardo. And we have Cinnamoroll and Michelangelo. So imagine how your favorite Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles and Hello Kitty, when combined or when they exchange their iconic costumes. Isn't it cute? So without further ado, let's go and unbox each one of them. Okay, let's unbox the next one. It's Hello Kitty X Leonardo. Leonardo, for those who's not familiar with him, he's the leader of the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle. There are 4 characters, 4 heroes. They even have movies? I think 2 or 3 live action movies. Oh my gosh! So it's made of plastic, you know. It's fixed toys, straightforward toys, no stickers, not so whatsoever. It's just fixed. But I so love how it's painted solidly. Ang cute niya. So this is Hello Kitty X Leonardo. How I wish they would have stuffed toys like this or bigger versions, no? Kasi ang cute. For sure you'll buy it too. So again, this is Hello Kitty X Leonardo. Alright, let's unbox this one. This is Cinnamoroll X Michelangelo. Oh, diba? Ang cute. Ano kayang itsura niya in actual? So again, each box comes with this very cute card. And you have the QR code. So again, we are unboxing Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles X Hello Kitty and Friends. Yes, and oh, ang cute as Michelangelo. Ang nai-imagine ko talaga, or naiisip ko about Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, it's a famous 90s cartoons. I'm thinking about pizza. I was in grade school. I have the board games. I have the complete set even. I even have the complete set of the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle toys. Ang cute. So this is Cinnamoroll as Michelangelo. Go. Let's unbox My Melody X Leonardo ulit. But this time, My Melody being Leonardo. Ay, hello! Oh, ang cute. Ang cute. Pink. You know what? Bagay because pink comes or complements very well with green. Diba? Ang cute niya. Diba? Ang cute. I always love My Melody. I don't know. It's maybe because of the color. Yan. Kayo, sino favorite nyo? Please make sure to like my video as well. Yan. So, this one is My Melody X Leonardo. Go. Yes. First one is Hello Kitty and Raphael. This is so exciting. Remember what's the What's yung isa the collab earlier this year? Diba? It was super blockbuster. It was sold out. So this is it. Oh my god, ang cute. So this is Hello Kitty as Raphael. Ang cute, look. There's a turtle shell. Then you have the ninja mask. It's made of plastic. So I think McDonald's has already come to their senses and now coming up with plastic toys because there are toys that you can actually preserve. So super love it. I love the quality. Ang cute. And my favorite Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle, by the way, is Raphael. I collect all the Ninja Turtle toys in the 90s. So, ang cute. Now, I would say that this is really a truly must-have. So, the first one is Hello Kitty and Raphael. Here. Okay, we're down to our third toy. This is Cinnamoroll X Donatello. Oy. My gosh. I think some of my fellow collector or those avid collectors of Sanrio and McDonald's were up so early today on a Friday just to make sure that they complete. And I think one of the first toys that they brought is this one because he's now one of the famous, or is he the most famous nowadays? Cinnamoroll. Diba? As Donatello. Ang cute naman. He looks so fluffy and I love the Donatello ninja mask. Ang cute-cute niya. Look. Diba? This is a must-have. Love it. Ganun ba lang? Love it. Alright, let's unbox this one. This is Cinnamoroll X Michelangelo. Oh, diba? Ang cute! Ano kayang itsura niya in actual? So again, each box comes with this very cute card. And you have the QR code. So again, we are unboxing Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles X Hello Kitty and Friends. Yes, and oh, ang cute as Michelangelo. Ang nai-imagine ko talaga, or naiisip ko about Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, it's a famous 90s cartoons. I'm thinking about pizza. I was in grade school. I have the board games. I have the complete set even. I even have the complete set of the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle toys. Ang cute. So this is Cinnamoroll as Michelangelo.
Go.
Okay, we have here Kuromi X Michelangelo. So they come in this very cute box, very tiny box. But you have the QR code here, by the way. You can scan, and there will be some interactive games. Oh, I forgot to mention, by the way, balikan ko. There's also a card. So it's very uso nowadays. You have here the corresponding card and the QR code. So this is Hello Kitty. So the same goes with Kuromi and Michelangelo. You have here the card and let's unbox. Ay, a lot of cute. Diba, Kuromi is very popular nowadays. Look, it's so cute! Ang cute! Then may tail pa siya. Ang cute. Ang ganda. This is such a genius idea. I love the collab. Ang cute. It's not movable, by the way. Look, it's just fixed, but they'll be very, very nice to have as display in your cabinet, toy cabinet or shelf. So this is Kuromi X Michelangelo. And alright, now we are unboxing Kuromi X Raphael. Again, Raphael is my favorite Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle character. And yeah, just to flex the card or the box. Very cute. And they have the card here. Then you have the QR code. You can scan it later and play with these characters online. Ayan na. Ayan, cute niya. Ang cute. But there are 8 toys here in the Philippines. But what I know is that there are 2 more toys Actually, two more toys available in other countries, and we're trying to get them also with our fellow collectors, from our fellow collectors who reside in the other parts of the country, diba? That's the good thing about having a collector or toy collector community, most especially McDonald's. So hello to all of you. I hope that you're all doing very well. And without further ado, as promised, we'll be giving away a complete set. Can you focus all of them again, please? Okay, a complete set of the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles X Hello Kitty and Friends collab. Diba? All you need to do is to answer the question, which one is my favorite Sanrio character? And who is my favorite Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle character? Let me repeat that. Who's my favorite Sanrio character? And who's my favorite Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle character? All you need to do is to comment your answers below. Make sure to share it on your Facebook walls. Make sure it's on public mode. Make sure that you like and you share, as mentioned. And of course, more importantly, follow my YouTube account so that you'll be updated and notified for our upcoming unboxing. About it, stars, thank you so much for joining me on this special unboxing. I know that we're not in our usual spot. We're here in Coron, Palawan, because yours truly will be resting a much needed break. You know, I'll be here over the weekend. But, syempre, I did forget to unbox. Buti na lang, they're also updated here in Coron. They already have the complete set of McDonald's Happy Meal. If I were you, ask your parents, be very good this weekend and ask them to purchase all these toys because I think they'll be sold out after the weekend. Diba? I forgot what the other, ano yung mga plushies? Yu-Gi-Oh ba yun? Yu-Gi-Oh? The plushies. I think that was released February of this year. It was sold out. And I think, lalo na ito, with Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles on board, lalo siyang sold out. So, make sure to collect them this week. Be extra nice to your parents. And study hard, as always. So again, if you have any comments or suggestions, please comment it below. I want to read them. And that's it. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. And again, this is your Diva Star. Have a happy weekend. Cheers!